Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to craft planks in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first thing we have to do is to go approach a tree, because once you cut down a tree, you are cutting down the logs directly. Those are called logs. What I have in my inventory are also logs. So once you cut one down, you can create a workbench. Now, the workbench is the one that allows you to create all these logs and turn them to planks, or turn those logs to stairs or different types. So as you can see, now we have cut down a tree, and I already have a workbench that is set. Now there are differences between workbench and builder bench. This one right here is called the builder bench. Once you find the builder bench workbench, click on it, and now from here going to grab your ash log and then right here. And as you can see, we have now hardwood planks. So we're going to click on it. And once you do that, just click on craft. And now you have it in your inventory. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.